Cooking a delicious Spanish omelet, otherwise known as a Spanish tortilla, has never been easier. To make this nutritious Spanish omelet recipe, crack some eggs into a mixing bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and give it a mix. Then add a cup of milk, give everything another good mix with a whisk or a fork, and set it aside for a moment. Now, using a medium-sized non-stick frying pan, sauté the chopped onions in hot olive oil. Then add paprika powder and sauté for a few more minutes. Now add some boiled potatoes, pressed garlic cloves, peas, finely chopped parsley, thyme, and curry powder, and sauté for a few minutes on medium heat. Now, add the egg mixture, bell pepper, and diced tomato and spread evenly. Cook on low heat, with the lid on, for about 8 to 10 minutes on both sides. Flip the omelet on the plate and serve. For the full recipe and some clever ideas of what to serve alongside the Spanish omelet, follow the link in the description below the video.